The lava flowing from the volcano on the Spanish Canary island of La Palma made new contact with the sea on Monday, at around 12 p.m. local time. The risk to residents of the gases that emanate from the water when the molten rock makes contact prompted the authorities to confine around 3,000 residents of the municipality of Tazacorte. The new delta formed by the lava is in an area known as El Perdido, located some 3 kilometers south of the Tazacorte port and some 2 kilometers from the other delta that came into existence on September 28. The tongue that reached the sea on Monday has been receiving the largest amount of lava in recent days from the center of the eruption, which began on September 19 and shows no sign of letting up right now. The sudden contact with the ocean was another surprise from this volcano, according to Miguel Angel Morcundi, the technical director of the team of experts monitoring the phenomenon, the Volcano Risk Prevention Plan, PVOLCA. At the same time, lava is still reaching the first delta, which grew another 7 hectares in surface area in just a day to a total of 1,068 hectares. The lava has destroyed a total of 1,481 properties, according to data from the Public Land Registry. Of these, 1,193 were residential homes. When molten rock, which has a temperature of around 1,000 degrees C, reaches the 20 degrees C water off La Palma, there is an explosion of steam that generates a dense black cloud. The lava also creates a chemical reaction, mostly of chlorine, which can irritate people's skin, eyes, and respiratory tracts. According to the United States Geological Service, there are 4 main dangers associated with lava flowing into the ocean. These are, the sudden collapse of the land and cliffs on the coast, explosions caused by such a collapse, waves of boiling water, and a column of toxic steam containing hydrochloric acid and small particles of volcanic